Welcome. We are the team Farmers Towme. I am R. Srikaran, team leader.
And I am Sandeep Lakshman. I am an active member of this team.
And I am Ragalakshay. I am an active member of this team.
We choose the topic given by Atal Marathon 2020. The marathon pillar is economy. The problem statement is innovate to increase the productivity, manning scale, speed and sustainability in agriculture to benefit farmers.
In order to do our project in a sustainable manner, we have taken the survey from the farmers nearby us.
The top most problems faced by farmers are there is a large demand for agriculture labor.
They don't have sufficient lands to do farming.
Their income is low, and the fourth major problem is crop failure.
Agriculture labor is less. According to our census, number of agriculture laborers goes on decreases from 1960 to 2020. If the situation continues, the agriculture will diminish. There will be a great demand for food in our country.
They don't have sufficient lands to do farming. It's the second major problem. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. According to the census, from 1960 to 80, agriculture lands goes on decreasing. If this process continues, agriculture will diminish in few years. We must increase our agricultural lands.
The third major problem is the income is very less. Farmers' income is equal to their expenditure, so they don't get a profit while doing farming. So, because of this problem only, most of the farmers are migrating from farming. We need to appreciate the farmers.
Solutions for the first problem. Agriculture needs laborer in a specific time of period or seasonal wise. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005 guarantees 100 days employment to people to do unskilled work. Government of India can send laborers to agriculture works. Farmers will provide mild wages and government too. Many number of people will involve in agriculture work as they receive double income. According to our meeting with the head of 100 days employment scheme, they said that it is mentioned only for public services and farmers cannot get laborers from this scheme. But if a farmer requests to the 100 days head, they will surely send the laborers from 100 days scheme. Advantages of this by implementing this project. They are benefited as they receive wages from farmers and from the government also. Many people who are seeking unskilled work will join in agriculture works. More people will learn agriculture works. Agriculture labours will increase. Problem of insufficient agriculture labours will reduce. Standard of living of agriculture labours will increase.
The second major problem faced by farmers are increasing farming lands. You can see that in the year 1960 to 80, agricultural lands which are not in use are 4.95%. In the year 2000 to 2010, you can see that it's just 6.92%. Solutions for this major problem. There are totally 6.9% of wastelands which are suitable for agriculture, and we can just use them for agriculture. Government of India can offer advantages to people and farmers who are readily upcoming to do agriculture in those lands by reducing land tax for a certain period of time to those people. It is a benefit to farmer because government gives more price than selling to private enterprises. Government can buy those products produced by farmers who are cultivating their agricultural products in those lands. Advantages of using or implementing this in real time. More number of people will involve in agriculture, agricultural lands will increase, government receives income from taxes and profit of exporting agricultural products as a foreign exchange. Farmers' standard of living will increase. According to the offline census taken by us, farmers said that they are readily willing to do agriculture in those unused lands which are suitable for agriculture.
I am going to explain about the solutions for the third major problem, that is their income is very low. As the production cost is equal to their use, they are not able to spend more amount in their field. So for this problem we have a solution. The farmers nearby should cooperate together to make their farming better. So now I am going to explain our idea with an example. We have 4 lands here. The cost for plowing a land for 1 hour is 3000 rupees. The first area requires 45 minutes for its plowing, so the cost will be 3000. Less than 1 hour will require 3000 rupees, so the cost will be 3000. And the second area requires 1 hour 15 minutes and the cost will be 3750. The third area requires 30 minutes. Even though it is 30 minutes, it also requires 3000 rupees. And the fourth area requires 2 hours and the total cost is 6000. So the total cost for plowing the 4 fields will be 18,000. So now we are going to combine all the 4 fields. The first field requires 45 minutes, second field requires 1 hour 15 minutes, third field requires 30 minutes and the fourth field requires 2 hours. So the total hours will be 4 hours 30 minutes. So if we calculate the cost for this 4 hour 30 minutes, that will be 13,500. So now I am going to share the advantages and the solutions for this idea. By doing so, the 18,000 rupees have been reduced to 13,500. So the 4,500 rupees will be a profit for the 4 farmers. This can be divided by them to have the profit in their yield. Advantages of doing our idea. The first point is that the production cost will be reduced so that the farmers will gain a profit. So by implementing this, the income of the farmers will increase in a drastic way and the number of farmers will also increase definitely.